G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Sick cars. This is the first generation vehicle. We developed a fire extinguisher mount that bolts in using the factory seat bolts so that you can then install a fire extinguisher of your choosing into the vehicle. But make sure you always use one like this one here with a metal cage. We sell these on our website, so you might be able to pair it up off our website. The installation procedure is super easy. You simply remove the two front seat bolts, lift them out, bolt the bracket in, maybe take you 5 minutes worth of the work. Super easy and a really great way to now safely install your extinguisher. So let's go do it. The tools required to install our bracket is a E12 Torx bit. That's this little one here. As you can see, it looks like that. That's for the E12 heads on the seat bolts. You'll also just need a little extension piece and your ratchet and two 8mm spanners. Those are so that you can do up the M5 nuts and bolts. And the nuts and bolts have a little washer on the back as well. Start by removing your two front seat bolts. Next thing we do is we then install the fire extinguisher cage onto the bracket using the M5 nuts and bolts. Just place it on in the middle, put the bolt through, the washer, and then the nut. And as you can see, the bracket has a series of slots, so you just need to find where the extinguisher looks the best and is not going to interfere with anything. Now, it's simply time to install the bracket into position. What we do is we slip it under and the seat bolts go straight back in. And the important thing to remember with seat bolts is always do them up with your fingers before tightening them up, especially if you're using a power tool, because seat bolts can be cross-threaded quite easily. So you just want to make sure you're getting them in nice and all the way before you then work on it with a tool. Then the last stage is to slip the extinguisher into the cage and clip it up with the clips. Job done. It looks great. So as you can see, now it's all fully installed and looks great. And the beauty of this product is that you still have the ability to move the chair forward. Not all the way, because it will stop it from the last little bit, but as you can see, going almost all of the way forward. And as we mentioned at the very beginning, having a fire extinguisher installed in your car is a really good little safety feature. Perhaps you're out off-road at the track and you come across another car that's caught fire. Now you'll be able to grab it out really quickly. And how you do that is just by pulling these little safety clips off, bang, bang, like that, and then you grab it from the handles, you pull it out. Pull the pin and aim it at the base of the fire. So thank you very much for watching our little video and I hope you can grab one from the link below. Thanks.